myself Prem. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology and technology related videos. Today I will show you how to ping or how to check the network connectivity is okay with your Boss OS. For this purpose, we must confirm that you are logged in to a administrator account. I will show you. In this Boss PC, I have two users. One is Prem and then other one is user. This is my admin account and this is my user account. I will log in to the admin account and I will put down my password. Now I will open up the terminal. Here I must put down a command, that is sudo ping, and I will put the DNS of Google. Actually this is the DNS of Google server and I will ping this one because my PC is connected to a internet. If you have connected your PC to any other network, you must ping the switch gateway or whatever the remote IP is. At the time it will ask for the admin password. I will put down my password here. Just put down and now you can see here it is pinging. That means my connectivity is okay and I am ready for the go for using Google. Let me check it is working or not working. Okay, it's fine, it's working. Okay, let me check once more by disconnecting the connectivity. Is it working or not working? Okay, my connection is a bit slow but it is working. Now you can see here it is just collecting the website details and now it is okay. I just disconnect the network. Now that is the network is disconnected and I will type the command once more and then 8.8.8. okay, just this one. I will put down the password here. Now you can see here destination host unreachable. That means our connectivity is not established between the Google's DNS and our PC. And thank you very much for watching this one. And please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos.